There's one. I let it hit the water. I looked away and I heard it, so I heard it smash it, so I fucking set the hook. It's a decent one. 16, maybe a 17. Number one of the day, ladies and gentlemen. Number one of the day. Ooh, splashed me right in the face. My dad always said to let the top water sit there for like fucking 10 seconds at least before you reel it in. Because think about how many we get right at the starting. Imagine like how many there was like we pulled away from and then they turned around because we started reeling in after 3 seconds instead of... There's one. It was for like 10 seconds, then I reel it in, it was like two fucking, I did 2 twitches on the second one. You know what? Let it sit for a long time. Fuck it. I'm gonna start doing that every time now. Give me a jump. Come on, jump for the camera. It's a nice looking one. Caught this one yesterday. This is the fucked up jaw one. I think. No, it's a normal jaw, isn't it? Oh yeah. I felt it just inhale it instead of like smashing it like with the plopper. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. I felt him just gulp it. Nice one. Get him. Get him, get him, get him. Okay. Sure. Hell yeah. That's a fucking beauty right there. Let's get him cleaned up a bit. He absolutely, like I felt it just get sucked in, not hit. Like he didn't even surface. He just fucking, the plopper just disappeared down and I know I felt fucking pulling.
It's gonna go down there for a while, right?
Where?